Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Civilsteps. So Civilsteps has started one of the important series that is for Prelims 2022. So Target Prelims 2022 initiative of Civilsteps will help students to cover the important topics of history, geography, polity, economy, science, environment and current affairs. So this Target Prelims 2022 series has started from 19th of December 2021 and will help you to cover more than 1000 important topics for prelims examinations. Target Prelims 2022 has been designed keeping in mind the dynamic nature of the UPSC Civil Services Examinations. Hence, Target 2022 focus on overall preparation of a serious civil services aspirant, and it will sail you through UPSC Civil Services Examination very smoothly. Today, we will discuss important MCQs based on environment and basic science. So, the first question is, consider the following statements about the National Board for Wildlife. First, it is a statutory body established under the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Second, it is headed by the Minister in charge of Environment, Forests and Climate Change. So, which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A, one only, B, two only, C, both one and two, D, neither one nor two. So, you can pause this video and write down your answer in the comment section below. So, the correct answer of this question is option A, one only. So, the National Board for Wildlife is a statutory body established under the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Hence, statement 1 is correct. And about second statement, the Prime Minister is chairperson. Hence, statement second is not correct. So, the environmental bodies is this theme is extremely important from UPSC prelims exam point of view. So you should know the important and prominent environmental bodies like National Board for Wildlife, NTCA, National Tiger Conservation Authority, who is chairperson of NTCA, and what is the function of NTCA, who conducts tiger survey, tiger census. So what are the methods that is used in tiger census. So likewise you can read about all this stuff, and you should also know about the chairperson of every environmental organization, like the Ganga Council, who is a chairperson of that council. UPSC can frame any statement and UPSC can ask you whether this statement is correct or not. Likewise UPSC can ask question, and UPSC has already asked one question on National Board for Wildlife. So you should prepare this topic. I would say you should prepare environmental organizations topic from standard sources holistically. So this was all about question number 1. Let us discuss question number 2. In the context of ecology, anti-biases refers to option A, competition between the organisms of the same species. Second, an association between two species where one species kills to feed on the other. Third, a relationship in which one organism is benefited by direct utilization of another. Option D, secretions by an organism which are harmful to others. So you can write down your answer in the comment section. I'll tell you the correct answer of this question is option D. So antibiosis is a negative interaction in which an organism produces harmful secretions. In this type of relationship, none of the population is benefited. Hence, option D is correct. So this was all about this question, and I have already told you the importance of one word which is usually asked by UPSC in its prelims examination. In one of the previous year, UPSC asked question about ecosystem, and in another year UPSC asked question about ecological niche. So you should know these basic terms or keywords which is often mentioned in news or in the basic book of environment and ecology. So let us discuss question number third. Consider the following statements. First, biochemical oxygen demand is a measure of the amount of oxygen required to dissolve organic material in the water. Second, highly polluted water has a very low BOD value. So which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A, 1 only, B, 2 only, C, both 1 and 2, D, neither 1 nor 2. So the correct answer of this question is option A, 1 only. So the statement number 1, which explains the definition of BOD, is correct, while statement number 2 is wrong. But the answer is opposite. I mean, highly polluted water has a high BOD value. So clean water would have a BOD value of less than 5 ppm, whereas highly polluted water could have a BOD value of 17 ppm or more. Hence, statement number 2 is not correct. So this topic is very important, BOD. UPSC has already asked question on this topic also. So in these videos, I am explaining, or I am taking only important questions or important themes of different subjects. So you should cover these themes or these MCQs at least from this series of videos. So you should know about BOD and COD as well. COD is chemical oxygen demand, and the relationship between BOD and COD with pollution. So you can get knowledge of this also, because this is framed in question number 2, that whether high polluted water has a very low BOD value or not. So likewise you can prepare this topic. So now let us discuss question number 4. A climate agenda called Fit for 55 to combat climate change has been launched recently by option A, coalition of G7 countries, B, European Union, C, United States of America, D, Germany. So the correct answer of this question is option B, European Union. So the European Union is working on the revision of its climate, energy and transport related legislation under the so-called Fit for 55 package in order to align current laws with the 2030 and 2050 ambitions. So this was all about question number 4, and the important initiatives of climate change and global warming. So this is very important and you should cover these topics from current affairs. So this is all about question number 4. Let us discuss question number 5. Which of the following ecological pyramids is or are inverted? First, pyramid of numbers is in a parasitic food chain. Second, pyramid of biomass in grassland. Third, pyramid of biomass in a pond. So select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A, 1 only, B, 2 and 3 only, C, 1 and 3 only, D, 1 and 2 only. So the correct answer of this question is option C, 1 and 3 only. So 1 and 3 only ecological pyramids are inverted and rest is upright. So these, you should know about how many ecological pyramids are there. So there are basically 3 ecological pyramids: pyramid of number, pyramid of biomass, pyramid of energy. So you should know that pyramid of energy is always upright, and there is one law which is known as Lindemann's law. So you should know what this law says about pyramid of energy. Likewise, you can prepare pyramid of number and pyramid of biomass also, and you should know when pyramid of number is upright or when inverted. Likewise, you can prepare about pyramid of biomass also. So this is your homework. You should research about this topic. So in which case pyramid of number is upright and in which case it is inverted. So you can get knowledge about this topic from basic NCERTs also. NCERT of class 12, last 4 chapters of biology. So this was all about today's video, and you can subscribe the channel and you can also press the bell icon. Thank you very much.